Welcome back, curious minds. Today, we are diving deep into the heart of our planet's intricate dance, the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, or AMOC, and the potential tipping point that could send shockwaves through our climate. Remember that Hollywood blockbuster, The Day After Tomorrow? While it may have exaggerated a bit, it raised a critical question. What if the Atlantic Ocean's circulation, responsible for distributing heat across the globe, were to slow down or even come to a halt? Fast forward 20 years, and recent studies reveal that the Atlantic Ocean's circulation has indeed been slowing down over the past 2 decades, possibly reaching its weakest state in nearly 1,000 years. But what does this mean for our world? To understand, let's first grasp the basics. The AMOC, often likened to a conveyor belt, carries warm, salty water from the tropics to the northern latitudes. This circulation, known as the Gulf Stream, plays a crucial role in regulating our climate. As warm water flows northward, it cools, becomes denser, and eventually sinks near Greenland, initiating a cycle that repeats like a giant, oceanic conveyor belt. However, the delicate balance is disrupted when excessive fresh water from melting glacier and ice sheets dilutes the salty water, preventing it from sinking. This weakens the conveyor belt, reducing heat transport northward. Enter the tipping point. Our latest study, utilizing cutting-edge climate models, simulated the impact of increased freshwater input, revealing that once the circulation hits this critical point, it could shut down within a mere century. And here's where it gets chilling, quite literally. Average temperatures in North America, parts of Asia, and Europe could drop by several degrees. Imagine New York City frozen in ice. Especially vulnerable is Europe, heavily influenced by the Gulf Stream. Our simulation suggests temperature drops of more than 5 degrees Fahrenheit per decade in certain regions. Norway could experience a bone-chilling temperature plunge of over 36 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's not just about the cold. Sea levels, precipitation patterns, and ecosystems worldwide would be impacted, potentially pushing ecosystems towards irreversible tipping points, like the Amazon rainforest transitioning to grassland. So, the big question remains: when will this tipping point be reached? Observations don't provide a clear answer, but our study introduces a physics-based early warning signal tied to the salinity transport at the southern boundary of the Atlantic Ocean. Once a certain threshold is reached, the tipping point could follow in just 1 to 4 decades. That's not a lot of time on the geological scale. The implications of an abrupt shutdown of the AMOC are profound. The climate shifts are unstoppable on human timescales, and the consequences are severe. It may seem paradoxical, but extreme cold could be the unforeseen outcome of a warming planet. Stay informed, stay engaged. The fate of our climate is inextricably tied to the health of our oceans. Like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of our world's most pressing issues. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.